Now, music, right? That's what everybody knows. He started off making mixtapes. And this was the first mixtape they released, and this is DJ Who Kid's Instagram post about how it started. So G-Unit and 50 Cent would do over $500 million from the music. I'm talking ringtones, I'm talking touring where he did over 71 million. I'm talking sales where him and his artists have done over 40 million. And when you actually read the book, we have interviews with not only him, but we have interviews with Game, who was a multi-platinum artist that he produced, and Lloyd Banks and Tony Yayo. So, and also Who Kid, who talks about how he built this alternative distribution model. And when we're talking about alternative distribution model, we're talking bootleggers, bodegas. He was able to build an international footprint without retail. Because when 50 Cent got shot, the assassination attempt that he survived, nobody in the industry wanted to do business with him. So he was blocked from being able to transact music. In fact, in the book, we tell a story of how he had a video with J-Lo, and a video he was supposed to do with J-Lo, and that didn't happen. He also had a video he was supposed to shoot with Beyonce and Destiny's Child, and that didn't happen. Right? So what they did, however, was find a way that nobody could stop and use what the industry resented, which was bootleggers, to build his G-Unit brand. He would have a catchphrase, G-Unit, on every record. So that was an identifier, right? He would have his logo, as you see right here, G-Unit, and his G-Unit's the future. And then he had two artists, Lloyd Banks, Tony Yayo, and then he would bring edgier versions of hit songs on the radio, doing harmonies and melodies, and Who Kid would proliferate these things out. That worked to the effect of, even without Dr. Dre and Eminem, he would have been a multi-millionaire because he had $1 million plus deals. From the same industry that rejected him, we're now coming back to the table with $1 million plus deals, to the point that he said, well, I'll take that Dr. Dre and Eminem deal for $1 million because Dre beats, Eminem partnership, that's going to give me market access, right?